2022 Ford Bronco Warthog prototype with a twin-turbo V6 soundtrack. Now this one, as you can see, probably the most exciting Bronco of them all. The Warthog is currently testing in Moab. And captured on video by YouTube off-road channel Crawler Utah, which you can see it on YouTube, the camouflage prototype is rolling on BF Goodrich all-terrain TA KO2 tires. The same kind of rubber that you spotted on the Ranger Raptor. Now, a full-size spare tire featuring the same double-spoke design is also present, along with the pumped-up fender flares and the beefy rear axle. Gifted with a wider track than the Bronco Sasquatch package, the Warthog moved fast and did not sound like a V8, according to the man behind the camera. Now, I didn't show the particular prototype winner because it's covered all up in plastic and it just looked like a piece of paper going down the highway. And so I'm just going to show you guys the first edition here. Now, they had a muted exhaust because it's likely turbocharged 6-cylinder engine instead of a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, which is more than capable of 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Ford is probably hiding 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 under the hood of the prototype. In Explorer ST, Go Faster SUV, this motor is rated at 400 horsepower plus 415 pound-feet of torque. Don't get your hopes up yet, though, for a 7-speed manual, because this bad boy is going to be offered exclusively with the 10R80 torque converter automatic. The box includes 3 overdrive ratio, 4 planetary gear sets controlled by 6 clutches and 2 different pumps that provide the hydraulic muscle. Now, expected with the optional 37-inch tires, the Warthog is just going to be straight up awesome. In hardtop, modular hardtop, painted in shadow black. Body color is going to be pretty much, it's impossible to know right now what the body color is going to be, but I'm sure there's going to be various body colors. Now, based on the spy photos, the Warthog will be leveraged by the Fox Racing suspension technology from the all-new F-150 Raptor and the 2023 Ranger Raptor. Now, the next generation live valve internal bypass shocks are the name of the game. And they're pretty smart too, thanks to electronic control technology that enables position-sensitive damping for better performance off the beaten path, must I say off-road. Now, in the case of the half-ton pickup truck, the Blue Oval promises upward of 1,000 pounds. And that's 454 kilograms of damping per corner at desert speeds. This baby is going to be awesome, but I just wanted to talk about that, guys, in the 2022 Ford Bronco Warthog prototype, having that V6 soundtrack. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and let us know your comments. There's no, the Warthog has not been revealed yet, so I just had to show you guys this because this is the best thing that's out there right now that's not all covered up in paper and plastic. Have an awesome day, and thanks for watching. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.